In the previous lecture, we have discussed various type of questions which is related to NCERT based. Now, question number 1.3. Check that the ratio of KE square upon GME is a dimensionless. Look up at a table of physical constants and determine the value of this ratio. What does it signify? What it means? It means we have to prove that this ratio is a dimensionless quantity. If we are prove this dimensionless quantity directly, this is very complicated phenomena. If we solution 1.3, if we see this factor k into e square upon g me into mp, if we see this factor, we place the value of k, e, g, me and mp, but this process is to be very difficult. Now we have to use a trick. We have divided by r square and multiplied by r square, mp by r square. Now there is no change in this particular physical quantity. We have to divide it by r square. R square cancel out. The physical quantity remains the same. Now, if we see well, if two charges are here, if we take two charge, one is electron and another is proton. The charge on electron is E minus E and the charge on proton is plus E, and two charges are placed at a very smaller distance r. Now the electrostatic force acting on this is K mod of minus E mod of E divided by r square. It means electrostatic force Fe मतलब electrostatic force K into E square by r square. Now we see this quantity. Here we consider two mass. One mass is electron and another mass is proton, and place a distance of r meter. The gravitational force acting between two masses is G me mp divided by r square. Here we see that this is electrostatic force and this is gravitational force. It means this is the ratio of force. It means it is a dimensionless quantity. We have to prove this factor should be a dimensionless, where this is force, this is the ratio of the force, and hence it is a dimensionless quantity. This is the question number 1.3. Now we are discussing question number 1.4a. Explain the meaning of the statement electric charge of a body is quantized. Now question number solution of 1.4. We have already explained in the theoretically part. Every conductors transfer the charge of plus minus E, where n is integer. This is fundamental charge. We already know that if the charges transfer between two bodies, it is always be quantized and it always be 1, 2, 3 and 4. It can never be non-integral manners. But now in the cases of the microscopic view, the charge is not quantized, because here quark particles are consideration, and this quark particles having the charge of plus minus E by 3 plus minus 2e by 3. Hence, charge is not quantized. But in the microscopic visions, the quark particles is existing in the nature, and these charges should not be in quantized in nature.